And we're live. Howdy. So you guys know that we like to change up our hair pretty often.
Like very often.
We have been gray, platinum, pink, ombre with money pieces.
Miss Pink was fun.
Miss Pink, she was a whole vibe.
Loved her.
And we just recently went back to blonde, but we want to change. So we partnered with Sally Beauty and we're gonna go pick up some hair dye.
Are you guys ready? I don't know that you are.
I feel like they're not.
To the salon.
The girls have arrived at Sally Beauty.
The girlies have arrived.
While we're here, let's actually talk about what we're doing today.
Yeah, a little game plan.
Yeah, take the reins.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a little dip dye.
Cute.
Just the tips. I've decided I want to go with like a light pink blush tone, kind of springy. I have a lot of pink makeup already, so I feel like it'll work in like really nicely. What about you?
Similarly, doing a dip dye on the ends. I think I might actually do some money pieces too, and I am
gonna let you guinea pig that for me, because if I do like it, I'll copy it.
Sure, it would be my pleasure. I think I'm doing a light purple lavender lilac.
Also springy.
Super. Let's go inside.
Bag secured. So we ended up going with Color Luxe Direct Vibes. This one's in lilac. It's your color.
Me.
And we chose this one because it's a semi-permanent hair color. Again, looking out for our colorist. It also doesn't have peroxide, ammonia, and it is
cruelty-free.
And cruelty-free. So then of course I got mine. As I said, I did go with the blush color. So it should be a light pink. Really looking forward to seeing what that looks like in my hair.
And for the grand finale.
We just got 2 little color kits.
Had to do
bowl, brush, glove.
Situation.
Yeah.
That's all we got, really.
Yeah, just stay tuned.
Super easy. Stoked to do it. We'll see you at home. Let's go.
So we made it home. We did change, didn't want to get dye on anything. We're both just wearing old Hanes tank tops that we can easily replace. Exactly. But we do have our little mixing kits out, which come with gloves, a little clip, and this little brush. And of course the bowl itself. Right. So we're gonna get to mixing these up and start painting. Okay, so I've mixed all of this and I'm just gonna apply it to her hair. You're supposed to shampoo and dry your hair first, but she did that yesterday. So we're just going to apply it directly on dry hair. Also, we've done this before, so it works out great. Progress update. Okay, so I painted and finished painting the bottoms of it, and then I just wrapped everything in saran wrap like this. So we're gonna stay like this for 30 minutes and take it off, and we'll show you guys how it looks. 3, 2, 1. Guess what? It's done. Let's get you to the shower. Okay, stand. Stand? Yeah. And now it's her turn. She's using the blush, I'm applying. Here we go. Take 2. It's giving my space. Here is my beautiful work of art. These are the blush pink tips, and then I will wrap them and we'll just wait. And this is just the quick setup I'm doing to do my little money pieces purple right here. Yeah, look and see. Do I look gorgeous? The answer is yes. I decided to do it. We'll see. I don't know, I feel like it could be cute, and it's semi-permanent. It'll wash out in a couple weeks. Again, I don't really take my hair that seriously. I wish I could see it. This is fun. Looking like a caterpillar. I'm going to record your reaction. Ready? Yeah. No. You look like you belong on, oh my god, what was it called? Something Town. Lazy Town. Lazy Town. You look like you're on Lazy Town. It's giving Lazy Town. It's giving Lazy Town. I can't disagree. I'm going to wash this out, dry it in about 30 minutes, and I'll show you the final result. We're in the post-shower dry phase. And the big reveal. I actually love this so much. I love it. Very subtle, but effective. Exactly what we were going for. Also have these cute purple streaks in front. Loving her. Anyway, this is the final look. Thank you so much, Sally Beauty. Thank you. Love you.
Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. I can teach a class when my hair is pink.